I do it for my squad, I do it for my fam, I do it for the bands, I had to thank the man. I do it for my walls, I did it, now I'm goals, and that was part of my plan. I did it, thank the man. I do it for my squad, I do it. It's lit!
What's up, guys? Your boy Catloco at the All-in-One KC Junkyard, and we in the truck section today. And check out the first thing I checked out. So this is like the first thing I seen when I came. Got a Yukon with the 6.0 gone, but you got the trans still there. You can see the axle for the or drive shaft for the 4x4 four-wheel drive. And if you look at it, you can see where it says 4L60E. So what you really want is two-wheel drive. You don't want the 4x4 action, but that would have been a really easy pull if that was what we need. And over here you got just sitting waiting for you TCM, I believe it's drive-by-wire, 862 heads. Yeah, it's definitely drive-by-wire because the firewall's patched up. That's where the throttle cables come out. And then that's the wrong number, 603 or 605. It's not the 411 PCM, so we know we don't need that one. But let's keep looking around. I don't really come to this yard because it looks like this, and a lot of stuff is already picked through. And I haven't really found anything I care about. This is real close to the city, so a lot of people come here. Actually, this is like really in the city. And the yards I've taken you guys to are a lot cleaner than these. I mean, look at this. More 4x4s. When you see transmission still there, chances are it's 4x4. And people need the two-wheel drive for the swap. But anyway, I'll cut you back on. I see anything else. So it's extremely windy today. And to give you a little perspective of how large the truck section is. So you got the trucks going down all the way to the wall. And both sides. All the way to back there. So I zoom out. It's pretty large. But it's very windy today. Feels good actually. 60 degrees. There's a couple 5.3s. That's like untouched. Everything 6.0 has been ripped out. But we just came to check it out. And it's kind of loud to film over here. Between people banging and cutting stuff and the noise from the wind. But it's a beautiful day. I had to come out to the yard. Man, you can hear that wind. Man, I was about to give up on the yard. It's getting late. With the roof. Oh, why, Lord, why? Like always, remember to like, comment, definitely subscribe, share if you want. Peace.